Why does your scanner show the P0117 engine code? What does it mean? P0117 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant temperature circuit low input. This engine code indicates that the powertrain control module (PCM) has detected a low voltage signal from the ECT sensor, suggesting it's reading a temperature that is much lower than normal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECT sensor, wiring or connector problems, cooling system issues, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Honda, Nissan, or Chevrolet models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.